Respected teacher and friends, we are the student of NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. My name is Ashwini Shende and these are my team members Rakesh Chipde, Shubhangi There, Ritik Thakre and Dhanashri Shembekar. We are made this project under the guidance of Miss Pranali Thombre and our project is underground cable for distance conveyed over GSM. This is a contest of project. Next is abstract. If fault is occur in underground cable, then it is very difficult to find it. The main objective of this project to find out the distance of failure of the cable. This system finds exact location of fault. The set of resistance and switch are used for representing the distance. When switch is pressed, the Arduino board is communicate to the GSM and shows the fault on LCD display. Next is introduction. In this project, use the simple concept of Ohm's law. The current is changed according to the length of cable and voltage drop also change the analog program. This register is used for represent the length of cable. The switch is used for the creation of fault. LED is used as a load and to communicate the controller GSM module is used. Next is a block diagram. We give the 12-volt DC supply to the Arduino board. This is UNO Arduino board. It is used for communication purpose. These are the resistance which are used the place of cable. These are showing the distance, that is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer and 3 kilometer. The switch used for creation of fault, that is S1, S2 and S3. And we used the LED as a load. This is GSM module. We have inserted the SIM card under the GSM module. When whatever fault is occur, it sends automatically message to the controller. This is LED display. It is used for a showing fault. This is the working of it. Next is component. We are used LED. Next is Arduino UNO, LCD, registers or switches. Next is the advantages and disadvantages. First is advantages. Its advantages is a low maintenance and low power consumption as well as easy to handle. It is some disadvantages, that is sometimes network problems is occur. Last is result. The determining the underground fault cable location is very difficult. That's why we are use Arduino and GSM system for detect the underground fault. This fault showing the LCD display. This is project. Thank you.